Watch how I can play the intro to A Million Dreams from The Greatest Showman. To play this, I first need my right hand to get used to flicking back and forth between the thumb and the index finger, doing one of those pulls up. So I flick down with my thumb and pull up with my index finger. This motion back and forth is going to happen the entire intro. I then put my spicemita bala on the second fret of the first string, and I play my first pattern using the fourth string and the first string. Try that with me. 1, 2, try it with me. 1, 2, try it again. 1, 2, one last time. After you've got that, you're going to do the same pattern, but this time I'm going to move my finger up one string to the second string, second fret, and I'm going to play the second string and the first string. Let's try both of them together. 1, 2, here we go. Now I switch. After that, I'm going to put my ring finger on the 5th fret of the first string. Should sound like that. And I'm going to play the second and first string again. Then my fourth and final pattern is on the 3rd fret of the second string, and I play strings 3 and 2. When you put all of those together, it sounds like this. You then repeat the whole thing, this part too, but instead of doing the third one, you go right to the fourth one and do that twice. Then you can end it on a nice G major chord. That would be the start of the song after the intro, right, when they start singing. Go back to the beginning of the video and see if you could play it along with me when I played it at the beginning. If it's not quite fast, you're not quite fast enough, if it's a little too fast for you, see if you can slow the video down or practice a little more and try it again. Good luck and have fun.